I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated by a mix of emotion. Got my statement, and I'm...
Hello, dear students. How are you today? I hope that you are so great and you are enjoying your days. So, let's start with our activities of this day.
First of all, we are gonna make a review about personal pronouns. So you have to pay attention to them and repeat after me. I, you, he, she, it, we, they. Verb to be. Verb to be means ser o estar. For positive ideas, we are gonna use am, are, is. For I, we are gonna use am. For you, we and they, are. For he, she and it, is. For negative ideas, we are gonna use am not, aren't, and isn't. These are the activities of this day. They are about verb to be. So, let's practice. The first activity is to go to EducaPlay and answer the exercise about verb to be. The second activity is to go to Forum 7 and write 5 sentences using the verb to be.
That's all for today. See you tomorrow and have a good afternoon.
I never